Hello everybody, we are going to start Bubblegum Simulator. I've been playing it for like 5 minutes. We are so close to getting our first egg. Because my other recordings for this weren't that good. Well, pretty much all good, but oh, we're so close. Let's go get some more coins from over here. I'm kind of a noob at this game, but I'll get better. We play simulators, and we get good at them. Right now, on my others, we are doing Bee Swarm Simulator, which is one that I enjoy. And, guys, you're going to see my first egg opening. What do we get? What do we get? We got a kitten! Yay! We got a kitty, guys! It's not that good, but he makes my bubbles go by 2 now. Oh, they're actually 4. Thank you, kitty. Look how fast that is. Gum store. What is the gum store? What's a gum store? Gum. What does this do? Oh, it gives me more capacity. So like you see over here, I only can hold 25. So if we get a type of gum, I think that means that we can probably get extra space. So I need a little bit more. The kitty is not the best pet in the game, but it's working out right now. Alright guys. We have gotten a stretchy gum. What's it mean? Oh, the bubble gets bigger. Like that guy has a bubble that has 125,000. That's insane. So I saw these like portals. I'm not sure what they do. And there's like Candyland and Toyland. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, Candyland. What's in here? So we just... There's an admin on our server. Let's not get banned. So I know when you make your bubble really big, you can jump really high. Ooh, diamonds. What are these gems? So we have the gems over here. Ooh, a trade request. He won't like anything Cause look at him. I think he's only doing that to help me out, because I have nothing. Trading. I just send everybody a trade request. No one wants to trade with me. What does the candy do? Boom, 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 boom. The music of Candyland is good. Like the background, like it. Oop. See how much the eggs are over here. 400. Wow, that's actually a lot. But I think it gives you like a special candy. So let's go on a candy expedition. I like this game. This is probably one of the funnest simulators I've played in a while. I'll turn this down because it's a little loud. So, if you guys couldn't hear me, I was just saying we're gonna try to find a lot of candy. Because the candy seems like really good for I'm pretty sure Toyland, instead of like candy or coins, I'm pretty sure is, yeah. Of course he did that. Because I have nothing. I have one pet, and that's pretty much the only thing I can sell. So we need to get 400 candy. Ooh, kitty leveled up. Let's see what the kitty can do now. Oh, it gets us extra candy now. It gives us like 1.08. That's actually cool. That has a decimal because I'm just learning decimals right now. They're kind of confusing, but when you get the hang of it, it's really easy. Alright, we have 51. Ooh, gems. 7. Lucky number. I really want the kitty to level up again to give us like a lot more stuff. I think the next egg in the area is like a lot better. Look at this guy. He has a lot. What's intermediate? Alright, can't really do anything here without some other pets. So let's go back. Because, like, if I get some other pets, I probably will be able to get extra candy if I level them up. Because my main priority right now is just to get there's a bag of coins over there. Priority is to get 400 candy. So we can get a ice cream egg, I'm pretty sure. It looked like ice cream on the egg. How much is the next one? I'm pretty sure it's 2,500. 3,200. I was way off. There we go. Now we can actually get a good amount. Because look at this. It's just like boom, boom, boom. Fives. This thing is gonna take a while. Let's get another pet. What do we get? Ooh, doggy. I wish it was a pug. Well, he gives us extra bubble. We can actually get another one. We'll just get another one. Please. Ooh, we got a bunny. That's like we're getting all the common pets. If we get a unique bear, I'm pretty sure that's a bear or a koala. It looks like a bear. It could be a mouse. If we get one of those, I'll actually be really happy because they're a better pet than common. My mic is kind of messed up, so everything I'm saying you probably won't hear. Bag of coins. Give me that bag. Okay, someone's in the shower, so it may sound a little choppy. If it does, I'm sorry. I'm not trying to make it like that. Another trampoline. Oh gosh. Wait. Holy moly. So we jump up there. Then we go all the way. Please, please, please. Yes, we made it. We can't really get anywhere else. Besides, maybe over there. Bag of coins. Why does it say upgrade if I don't need to upgrade? I literally just upgraded it. So now let's sell it. How much did that give us? I don't know. So we have 3 pets, and we have enough. Let's go. Another bunny. Come on. Unique. Another kitty? My gosh. Trade accept. Yes. Oh, it was the snowman. Let's give him the new bunny, and yeah. Please, dragons. I'm gonna decline it for trolls. Please, 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 please. The trade is currently processing. Please. Okay. Yes! Guys, I think we just got really good pets. I am not sure. Thank you. Thank you, and thank you. So it looks like I are really good. Ham. Guys, today's episode has gone off to a great start. Thank you so much for watching. I did not expect this. This is insane, guys. I literally fill it up and I'm not buying any more pets. These are super good. Like, when I played Pet Simulator on my other account, this guy just traded me, like, these really good pets. And I don't know why. I won't do Pet Simulator because it takes a lot longer. We're just gonna keep doing this, and we're gonna try to get the, gum that we can get in the shop. This is insane, guys. You see this guy right here? I'm sending him a friend request. Very happy. I think he's gonna try to buy me a Dominus. Wait, what is that? Alright, guys, we're gonna try to get a Dominus next episode. I don't think he saw my chat bubble, but that's okay. Alright, gum. Alright, what's the best one we can get right now? Ultra Gum is 5,000. Alright, let's get the one that we can afford right now. So that is this one. This filled up in one! Guys, this is insane. Hope you guys liked today's episode. I did not expect very, very nice person to give me these super good pets. I was trying to get, like, the cold pets, because those seem good, but they're super good. Ooh, another one. He's giving me these foxes. Are they good? Please, give us the fox. Give us the fox. Please. Oh my god! This guy is so nice! This guy is so nice. They are good, but... These are good, but they're not as good as these pets, so I'll just keep these Heartful Dragons equipped. Because that guy is so nice. I sent him a friend request. That was actually one of the nicest people in Roblox ever. This is the trade request I've ever gotten. Alright guys, so I hope you guys liked today's episode. And if you did, don't forget to leave a like down. Don't forget to leave a like, comment down below what simulator you want to see next. Have a good day, and if you're new, subscribe. And don't forget to leave a little like to support this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys later.